Okay, this time we are going to demonstrate to you on how the examiner or teacher would be able to use our Excel test generator system. So first is he or she needs to register, and I will click OK. And as you can see in there, I have here the username. In this case, I'll be typing this username Marius, and password is secret, and the user type is teacher in computer science. Then I have here my details for my first name, middle initial, last name, and my contact number, mobile number. So 933351427. My email address is marcells@yahoo.com. And the registration key is 1234. Click register. You have your user account registered. So once I already uh, done registration, I'll click login and click OK. I'll use my username Marius and my password is secret. Login as teacher, and I will connect to computer science. Click login, and there we go. So as you can see, the test categories is blank. So I will click action, create, and test category. And I have CS21. This is the category that I would like to create. Click, and as you can see there, it's created. Now, next thing that I would like to do is to create or to put a test on that category. In this case, I will be creating Excel test. Okay. In this case, I will browse in my test, and in here I have here my Excel file, a pre-formatted test fitted for our test generator. Click open, and I will be clicking red, and it's now reading the file. Yep, after that we have here 10 questions successfully. Okay, and next is I can preview that. So our system generates labels, text, checks boxes, and combo boxes for the preview of our exam. As you can see, we have here actually the question, the choices, and the type of the exam analysis and the level of difficulty. And I can generate that, and test category input E2C is 201, and notes I will be writing programming, whatever I like, programming, and click OK. New test created. So when I close that, when I click this, as you can see there's a test folder, and we have here test 1. So this is our test that we created a while ago. So what would I do is to let my student take the test. I will simply activate the test, click, and the test name is test 1, and the test key already generated. So I will type in a more easy to remember test key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number items 10, and we have here the details, and I will indicate the group or the section of takers. I will write CS 21G01 expected takers. I'm expecting 30 takers, and I will be setting the activation time for this exam and the activation date as well. And I will also, if I like to customize the test settings, I can click that. And do you want to randomize questions? Yes. Do you want to randomize choices? Yes. Again, how many minutes would you allow examiners to answer this test? I will be selecting 5. And would you allow examiners to go back previous items before the test to change their answers? The answer is yes. What would examiners must reach in percentage to pass the exam? I have here 70%. And we allow examiners to see the brief instruction based on your chosen settings. I have here yes. And what would examiners would see after taking the test? We have a score only, score unchosen answers, score chosen answers and correct answers, or no score or results. In this case, just as is score only. We have here the fail mark message and the pass mark message. Apply settings and click finish. So test activation finish. So after that, I will be closing that. And for example, I already in the test lab or a laboratory, and I'm instructing my student to take the test. So if I'm a student, I will just select take test and click OK, and I will be typing my name, Mary. This is an example only. T Lee, and test key is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and for science click OK, and there we go. So we have here the user take test UI, wherein we have the test details, test name. Test 1 contains 10 items, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Passing score is 7. Passing percentage 70. You can go back to previous to change answer. You can see score only after taking the test. Okay, click start test. Bang. Now it's now loading. As you can see, the test that I created a while ago has been displayed here in a random manner, as well as the choices. So if I am a student, I will just select a choice and click next, choice, next, next, and as you can see here, my answers are being displayed. Numeric, verticals of digits, positive sign, negative sign, that's numeric. And C# is a case-sensitive programming language, that's true. And if you want to describe, you just choose A, and B, and B, and C. Next. And are you sure to submit your answers? Answer is yes. And your score is 3 out of 10. Sorry, you failed. So once the student done taking the test, I will go back as a teacher, Marius, secret, and computer science, login. And I have here sys201. I will select this, and I will click this results tab. As I can see, there is already a taker. The exam is 1 and pass is 0, failed. When I double click that, and as you can see, email to the details, the inflation, consume in minutes and seconds, the computer name, and the IP address is being registered. You can print, you can graph, you can have statistics, you can import, export to Excel. So that's the main setup of how this Excel test generator works in a part of the teacher in creating an exam, as well as how the student will be able to take the test. Thank you.